be listening to Cue the Mic with Omarique on Tropixx 105.5 FM. This is Daily 17 from Dominica, and you should be listening to Cue the Mic with Omarique on Tropixx 105.5 FM.
Yo, DJ, cue the mic.
Yes, people, it is Cue It Friday. You already know how that starts off. Doing old school soca today. We're doing old school soca today, so come vibe with me.
Nice. You got me sweet. Oh, girl. Here we go. Yes, baby. Now you got me. Yes, baby. Now you got me nice. You got me sweet. Oh, girl.
Yes, baby. Oh, you got me. Yes, baby.
Girl, you have me hanging on a string, and I find you should know what I mean. From the first time that I met you, I know there was something about you. I still went on take my chances, I facing the consequences.
Gotta say a special shout out to Mommy Glenda. Hi, Mommy.
Yes, baby. Now you got me. Yes, baby. Now you got me nice. You got me sweet. Oh, girl. Yes, baby. Now you got me. Yes, baby.
People, it is Cue It Friday. Cue It Friday is the weekend, huh? Time to go party.
Yes, baby. Now you got me. Yes, baby. Now you got me nice. You got me sweet. Oh, girl. Yes, baby. Now you got me. Yes, baby. Girl, you have me hanging on a string, and I find you should know what I mean.
All I need right now is a little chicken soup and I'm good to go, eh? Chicken soup and a little dancing partner, and I'm good to go for today.
You got me. Hey.
You got me nice. Oh, God.
You got me sweet.
Yo,
Nice.
DJ,
You got
cue the
me
mic.
sweet. Hey. Nobody could do it the way you just do it. Whenever you do it, I just really enjoy it. Nice. You got me sweet. You knock me off my feet. You got me. You put me in a heat. You got me. Hey.
Ask you for a dance. It's like you're looking for romance. The way you dance with me, hey, you tantalize me body. Wine me, grind me,
Hey.
excite me, entice me, expose me. Tell me why you jump me so.
Tell you today we're going real groovy, people. Go get your dancing partner. We're shaking up the whole workplace today. Shout out to Uncle Shards one time. Good morning. Hi.
Ask you for a dance. It's like you're looking for romance. The way you dance with me, hey, you tantalize me body. Wine me, you grind me, you squeeze me. excite me, entice me, expose me. Tell me why you jump me so, why you tease me so, why you whoops me so. Rock me, hold me, expose me, excite me, excite me, tease me, vibrate me, gyrate me. What's that? And I'm in there, what's that? And I light up in there, what's that? And I'm in there, what's that? And I light up. Come up to my bouncy boy.
Ay, 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 oh God! Ay, ay, ay!
Look the bitch and whining, look St. Lucian whining, Dominique and whining, West Indian.
Alison Hines and the square one. But ay, ay, ay.
Come up to my bouncy boy and ay, ay, ay. Come up to my bouncy boy and ay, ay, ay. Come up to my bouncy boy and ay, ay, ay. Come up to my bouncy boy and ay, ay, ay. Look the bitch and whining, look St. Lucian whining, Dominique and whining, West Indian, look the bitch and whining, look St. Lucian whining, Dominique and whining, West Indian. I want you to grind me, grind me, grind me. I want you to grind me, grind me, grind me. I want you to grind me, grind me, grind me. I want you to grind me, grind me, grind me.
Tell you today we just vibing, huh? Old school soca. Ay, 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 oh God.
Come up to my bouncy boy and ay, ay, ay.
Who have the liquor?
Come up to my bouncy boy and ay, ay.
Who got the chaser?
Come up to my bouncy boy and ay,
Hey,
ay.
enjoy the rhythm, eh?
Look the bitch and whining, look St. Lucian whining, Dominique and whining, West Indian, look the bitch and whining, look St. Lucian whining, Dominique and whining, West Indian. I want you to grind me, grind me, grind me. I want you to grind me, grind me, grind me. I want you to grind me, grind me, grind me. I want you to grind me, grind me, grind me. Sing. Ay, ay, ay. Move that. Ay, ay, ay. Clear, clear. Ay, ay, ay. Clear. Ay, ay, ay. Clear, clear. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay.
Cause we got hey, I too hype right now, eh? Play a little jam band for y'all. Hope you guys already choose your tile as Uncle Shads just say. Hope you guys got your partner dancing right now. Okay.
From the first time that I met you, girl, you had me hypnotized. The way you walk, the way you talk, baby. Girl, you had me mesmerized. Your pretty smile, the way you laughed,
Yo, DJ.
and the look up in your eyes. The way you move, the way you groove, baby. And my heart up over eyes. Girl, you are to me.
This is Daily 17 from Dominica, and you should be listening to Cue the Mic with Omarique on Tropixx 105.5 FM.
Honey, have my body tranquilized. You turn me on and you drive me crazy. Woman, save all your loving for me. Need your loving, I need it badly.
You're the diamond in the sky.
With you, I don't need another. Promise that you love me forever. End of time, we will be together. You're my diamond in the sky.
Close to mine.
When you and I become as one, it sends a thrill to me. When we move to the melody, come on and give it to me, baby. When you walk your ways, you raise my passion. Yes, come on and give it to me, baby. When you walk your ways, I get that instant reaction. Watching you, say, shine your eyes, I'm being a heat, like I need a key. Oh, I'm feeling nice now. Yes, keep falling. Oh, I'm feeling nice now. Find myself deep in erection. Ladies, too much to mention. Lay eyes on a particular one. The way she whine move her body so freely. This girl, she lights up the party with her race. Yes, that is beauty. Comfort, so she drive me crazy. And the outfit looking so irie. Closer, baby. Closer, baby. Hold your partner closer, honey. Closer, honey. Hold your partner closer, baby. Closer, baby. Hold your partner closer, honey. Closer, honey. Sometimes in you looking so nice. Can show me what you can do? Squeeze me. She tell me come closer, cause I want to come for tonight. I'm ready for pleasure. Hold your partner closer, baby. Closer, baby. Hold your partner closer, honey. Closer, honey. Hold your partner closer, baby. Closer, baby. Hold your partner closer, honey. Closer, honey. I know I'm not gonna let you go. Rock me, wind me, squeeze me. Just when the music's playing,
Yeah, lele. Word on the street, we got a whole Phillipsburg broadcasting rocking right now. Shout out my boy Super one time.
I'm begging, baby. Oh, I'm so sorry. Only one thing that could ease my pain is to have you right back in my arms again. We will worship the night until dawn while we dance to your favorite song. Yeah, lele. 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 Yeah, lele.
Hot and groovy in the soca party. She's hot and groovy. Ride out with me, baby. Bambida, bedai. Dida, bimbai, bimbai. Bambida, bedai. Dida, bimbai, bimbai. Breathing in a soca party. When I meet this Latin beauty. When I see she well shaped. With looks so hello, my. I make a move and we started talking. She said I look like a distinguished yardie. Then she tell me, boy, I feel in your body. She show me emotion that gets my attention. Then jam me in a cozy corner and whisper softly to me, groove me and move me in this soca body. She said to move me and move me, work up me body, groove me till I feel the pressure, groove me till I'm all over, groove me till I treat you right like Gucci until the party over. Hot and groovy in the soca party. She's hot and groovy. Find out with me, baby. Bambida, bedai. Dida, bedai, bedai. Bambida, bedai. Dida, bedai, bedai. She's my type in the way of the flexing. This kid is what not that I feel like you and your hobby. There, my lady. Hold me anywhere, don't be shy.
Na 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 na. Your mind, just listen to that groove. Tempo nice and tight for dancing mood. Look around you, watch them couples dance. Putting you in the mood for romance. Let's go inside and jam a nice upbeat session. I want you in the front, I will be in the back. Let me tell you how.
Tell you today it's just a groove, eh? Only grooving today, people. Remember, it's weekend.
Na 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 na. Your mind, just listen to that groove. Tempo nice and tight for dancing mood. Look around you, watch them couples dance. Putting you in the mood for romance. Let's go inside and jam a nice upbeat session. I want you in the front, I will be in the back. Let me tell you how. I want to rub your belly. I wind up on your bum, say. I bend you over with ease. I ram you nice and steady. Come on, girl, with you. In the band with you. Man and woman and you. Round the bend with you, I want to feel your body. when I ram you steady. Well, we chop and take, chop and take, chop and take, chop, 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 take, take, take. Whoa, whoa.
Hey, listen, young boy, you better come again. Look, you better recognize you should be shamed. Last night you were winning, but you lost the game. Whisper in my ear and calling me wrong name. What? Who the hell is him? What foolishness you talking? You better check yourself and go and check your health. Better call up for a ride to pick up your things outside. So long, my friend, is adios and goodbye. Well, after I cook for you, after I support you, boy, look what you're gonna do. After I buy you gift or the latest style to wear, another woman named you whispering me. Hey, listen, young boy, you better come again. Look, you better recognize you should be shamed. Last night you were winning, but you lost the game. Whisper in my ear and calling me wrong name. What? Who the hell is Kim? What foolishness you talking? You better check yourself and go and check your health. Better call up for a ride to pick up your things outside. So long, my friend, is adios and goodbye. Well, after I cook for you, after I support you, boy, look what you're gonna do. After I buy you gift or the latest style to wear, another woman named you whispering me.
Don't do this to me,
You were the right man.
baby.
Don't treat me like no one can.
Hey, listen, you see, didn't mean to cause you pain. I was trying to come up with a baby name, and that is the honest truth, simple and plain. I will never ever talk in bed again. See, y'all know you think about Kim, and if it's a boy and slim, I've been
She asked me who the hell is Kim. I said, baby, I don't know. I don't know no Kimberly.
And talking a pack of lies. Look and slim, so long, adios and goodbye.
I will never cheat on you. I love and respect you too. Just like Pablo Mud, my boo. The lipstick on my shirt, well, that is really red up. I follow me back, still hurt, still hurt.
What about the love letter from Susan?
That wasn't for me, what you undone.
I will never ever trust a next man.
Trust me. Nobody can love you more than me.
Girl broke out and wine and go down and bring it up man.
What him gonna do here? Come on.
Just step out.
This time it's different.
Do your thing, girl. Die, die, oh, oh.
Oh yo!
Hey, cheat on. Die, die, oh, oh. Die, do. Wicked. Girl broke out and wine and go down and bring it up man. Girl broke out and just step out and do your thing, girl. Girl, wine like a genie, every wish by you see me. Hey, Patsy and Kimmy, me. When you sing it up, me. I know go on, daddy. When you're in me, baby. Make sure say you're ready. We broke off the bed, dance from your waistline and sit down on it. Genie, wine and move up your hip. Sit down on it. Girl can't mash up your relationship. Sit down on it. Be just sit down on it. Wicked. Girl broke out and wine and go down and bring it up man. Girl broke out and just step out and do your thing, girl. Girl wine like a genie, every wish by you see me. Hey, Patsy, Yankee, me. When you bring it up, me. And I go on ready. When you're in me, ready. Make sure so you're ready.
I gotta say shout out to DJ Cool and Smooth. Bad boy DJ in London, you know. Of course, shout out to Cool and Smooth one time.
Sit down on it. Now y'all can't mash up your relationship. Sit down on it. Let me see how you just whine and dip. Sit down on it. Hey. Girl, back out and whine and go down and bring it up and girl, back out and step out and do your thing, girl. The way you see me whine, you can get
I'm taking y'all to Dominica with some WCK. Mommy, this is our tune, you know.
Soon as I enter the dance, my eyes were on you. But on the tempo songs that they play, could look a resto. Now that they change up the track, I will make my move. Say please, baby, yes. Wanna rest my head on you. Hey, na de.
This is Daddy 17 from Dominica, and you should be listening to Cue the Mic with Omarique on Tropixx 105.5 FM.
Listen, girl, tonight is the night. I wanna hold you tight. Come close to me. I'm on bended knee. Make a space in your heart. Never will I part. Come fulfill on your needs. I'm begging you, please. Hey, na lady. Hey, na lady. Yeah, man. I wanna move it. I wanna feel it. I wanna squeeze it. I wanna hold you behind and jam you real good, baby. I wanna squeeze it. I wanna control it. I wanna turn you behind and jam you real good, baby. Hey, na baby. Hey, na baby.
Wonderful feeling to be on the road.
A woman like raindrops,
and it's blazing hot, yeah.
Shout out to Uncle Shads. Shadow, hope you're listening to me, huh?
Non-stop behind the truck, non-stop. So show me the way to beat your heart. You and me will never be part. Once you're straight with me all the time and focus. Let me follow the white line down the road. And we go wine, girl. Follow the white line down the road. You and your man, girl. Follow the white line down the road. And we go jam, girl. Follow the white line down the road. Down the road. Follow the white line.
Yes, people, that is Shadow Man with Follow the White Line. Hey, we just getting started, huh? So we got 30 minutes to go.
always will be right there by my side. But I know all you men are watching. I know you're lost it. Your body's calling for this girl of mine. I know you're watching, but that ain't nothing. Don't try to come between me and my woman. Know what you wanted, but you can't have it. Never lose your mind and try to take my woman. I'm tripping down the road with me own woman. Me own woman. Me own woman. I'm tripping down the road with me own woman. Me own woman. Me own woman. Hey, nine.
Sac passy. Sac passy.
The road is mine. The road is mine. The road is mine. The road is mine. We hook up on the highway with food and plenty drink. All together. We plan on going home. The music, no time to think. All together. And when we start to rumble, it's rumble all the way. All together. We ain't fighting nobody. We walk to you. Hate this time. Stop. Drink your drink, sir. Hold your gal. Drink your drink, sir. Hold your gal. Drink your drink, sir. When you bump, drink your drink, sir. Come. The road is mine. The road is mine. The road is mine. The road is mine. We hook up on the highway with food and plenty drink. All together. We plan on going home. The music, no time to think. All together. And when we start to rumble, it's rumble all the way. All together. We ain't fighting nobody. We walk to you. Hate this time. Stop. Drink your drink, sir. Hold your gal. Drink your drink, sir. Hold your gal. Drink your drink, sir. When you bump, drink your drink, sir.
We met this girl from Haiti, a pretty girl from Wales. Girl, you cannot imagine just how she make me feel. She says she travel all over just to shake it up. And when she shaking, hear how she build me up.
Charity party, so much food and drink. Never was be fine. That's the man who keep us sweet.
Me head spinning like a top. What a thing when I got back. I don't make them kind of joke. With the selfish and the folk, I vex. I really, really vex. Because she keep ready turkey.
I don't mind that.
She keep ready sirloin steak.
I don't mind that.
She keep ready chicken pasta.
I don't mind that.
She keep ready goat and oxtail.
I don't mind that.
But how the hell she got to ready sandwich? How the hell she got to ready pork? How the hell? How the hell? How the hell she got to ready sandwich? How the hell she got to ready pork? How the hell? How the hell? I feel like crying. I feel like dying. I feel like crying. I feel like dying.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yo. It's the way I want to do me thing, yeah. I saw from since I small, I telling you, baby. It's the feeling the music bring, yeah. I can't behave at all. I whining like a madman. Who want to watch could watch me. I come to get on bad, and if you vex, then I'm sorry. Just like every vet, I've the number to my cell phone. Back and let's call me, and I cannot say no. The vibes can't done. The vibes can't done. The vibes can't done. The vibes can't done. The vibes can't. Plenty jamming in the session. Plenty rum to ease the tension. 20 man, 100 woman. Oh gosh, the vibes can't done. Well, the music is everything, yeah. I ready taking over me and driving me crazy, leading me on a string, yeah. I dirty and I'm walking up, winding up like a madman, and I ain't stopping. So please, y'all, if you have a problem, then go and call the police. It's like I on the highway, heading to the city. I'm ready for the whining, and nothing gonna stop me. The vibes can't done. The vibes can't done. The vibes can't done. The vibes can't done. The vibes can't. Plenty jamming in the session. Plenty rum to ease the tension. 20 man, 100 woman. Oh gosh, the oh bacchanal. Oh bacchanal. Oh, I'm ready for it. Oh bacchanal. Oh, I'm ready for it. Oh bacchanal. Oh, I'm ready for it. Oh bacchanal. Oh, I'm ready for bacchanal. Bacchanal. Oh bacchanal. Bacchanal. Oh bacchanal. Bacchanal. Oh bacchanal. I'm ready for it. Bacchanal. Bacchanal. Oh bacchanal. Bacchanal. Oh bacchanal. Oh bacchanal. Oh bacchanal.
I'm ready for.
Meetings, first time we meeting. I hope you're not leaving. Just stay a little bit.
Yes, people, this is Cue It Fridays. I DJ live every Friday. Remember, this is Cue the Mic with Omarique.
This one is mine. I go jump if I want to. Wave up, bend down and whine. This one is mine. I go stamp on the ground and you can't tell me what to do. 'Cause I felt in the night, then go on the road. Me no stopping, I'm going all day. I felt in the night, then jump up on the road. Me no stopping, I'm going all day. Now everybody watch this. Eyes are bacchanales, eyes are bacchanales. I want you to watch this. Eyes are bacchanales, eyes are bacchanales. I love plenty bacchanal, bacchanal, oh bacchanal, bacchanal, oh bacchanal, bacchanal, oh bacchanal. I love plenty bacchanal, bacchanal, oh bacchanal, bacchanal, oh bacchanal, oh bacchanal, oh bacchanal. When I in the costume, sexy and well groomed, just give me some room to whine a little bit. The road is my symbol, follow the signal and find yourself in the house of bacchanal. And this one is mine. I go jump if I want to, wave up, bend down and whine. This one is mine. I go stamp on the
what to do. Cause I felt in the night, then go on the road. Me not stop there, I'm going out there. I felt in the night, then jump up on the road. Me not stop there, I'm going out there. I'm worried for rum, don't need to whine on me in the party. I'm already drunk, one thing I need inside of the vet.
Give me a bottle of rum. Oh God, I have to go to the liquor store after this. People, it's Friday.
Tell me yes, give me a bottle of rum. HD, double M, yeah. 3 to the C. A bottle of spoon and I begin the dance. My head done gone, so I feel to chant on you. Don't need to whine on me in the party. I'm already drunk. One thing I need inside of the vet. Give me a bottle of rum. I love me rum and me rum it loves me. I'm totally drunk. My baby never cheat on me yet. Give me a bottle of rum. Drinking whole night and I'm whining at night. And I'm only smiling, baby. The bottle of rum. See I drinking, just check me out. Whining. I catch it all night, I'm smiling, baby. Give me a bottle of rum. Signal the bartender, cause I'm ready to put down the order. I'm ready to put for behavior. No, you don't have to worry. They can run through the party. So the one that comes up the army, baby.
Look, everybody done wet. We just done wet. We back done wet. We out of breath. We felt in ways and we can't done yet. We can't done yet. No, we can't done yet. We face done wet. We dripping sweat. We drinks in the air, so the place done wet. Call our next rounds, everything done set. The sun not out, so we can't done yet. We can't done yet.
They say,
then try not doing it again.
I tell them that
they will be calling out my name. They say on paper I'm second, but in the heart I'm number one. The people's champion, the people's champion. So when people hear AI, no Benja is the high. All hands in the AI, all drinks in the sky. Cause the fans them love me, and to show that love with the simmer. The people calling Benjamin. And we can't done yet, no, we can't done yet. The place done wet, we dripping sweat. Drinks in the air, so the place done wet. All our next songs, everything done set. The sun not out, so we can't done yet. We can't done
you bad, so? How you bad, so?
Are you rude, so?
I wanna take a little piece of that. Just give me permission to walk you. Hey. Cause any whining girl, I don't want to interrupt you. See, I'm telling you, baby, the way you're behaving. When you whine like that, tell nobody to stop you. Oh Lord, I wanna go down. Let me see the waistline go.
People, it's Friday, March 14th. We have cars with tomorrow. Enjoy yourself this weekend, huh?
Just give me permission to walk you. Hey. Cause any whining girl, I don't want to interrupt you. See, I'm telling you, baby, the way you're behaving. When you whine like that, tell nobody to stop you. Oh Lord, I wanna go down. Let me see the waistline go run. Bubble to the baseline, you can't sit down. Girl, you can't sit down. Don't stick now, we can't go long. And you got the realest bumper in this town. It's the way you move it up and down. Not the size, not the shape. It's the way that you whine and the jiggle of the waist. That bumper is too real, it's dangerous. I wanna whine, but it's looking dangerous. I wanna whine, but it could be danger. When I just want to grind on you, girl, it's too real, it's dangerous. I wanna whine, but it's looking dangerous. I wanna whine, but it could be danger. And I just want to grind on you. You was born for this. I can feel it all for this. You're walking up and I like it so. I say you was born for this. I love the way you're performing this. When you're whining, baby, whoa. Girl, you make me feel a sweat, and we ain't whine yet, no. I'm watching you whine and you know that I'm watching you so that it's bad. But make me feel a sweat, and we ain't whine yet, no. Now I wonder how that thing behind you does feel. It's too real, yeah. I got in position to walk you, look, girl. I'm gonna do something, baby, don't let me stop you. No, just keep the thing going, feeling like we're floating. I wanna jam to the ground, but I don't want to rush you. Oh Lord, oh girl, I wanna go down. Let me see the waistline go wrong. like she's single. Oh. Jamming like she's single. Walking like she's single. Pumping like she's single. Oh. Like she's single, selfies like she's single, oh. Jamming like she's single, walking like she's single, pumping like she's single, oh. She always fully clothed, not that thing exposed. When she home with me, when she leaves me out, everything come out and gone on display. Now she coming out in short things, cleavage bam bam showing, tongue ring she exposing.
I gotta say a special shout out to one of my friends, Ocean. The next song is for you, huh? Remember that.
Plenty gal of man, acting like the single. Plenty gal of man, acting like the single.
Queen of Bacchanal. I grew up as a real good girl, always home, don't go nowhere. As soon as I was introduced to carnival, they say I loose, all down on the ground, walking up my bottom and it dragging all over tongue, and they say I lose. It was never a party at my school bazaar I used to go, but since I was introduced to Bacchanal, they say I lose. When I drop it hot and I whine it on top the speaker box and I grind it, and I don't want to stop and they call me Lucy. But I lose it on, lose it, I sweet it on. You say this carnival have me so damn loose. Get loose away, get loose, get loose away, get loose, get loose away, loosen your waist, kill them with the pace. There's no place I'd rather be than in a bed, having a time. For those who have eyes to see me acting up and whining loose. All down on the ground, walking up my bottom and it dragging all over tongue, and they say I lose it. I never meant to be this way. Is it Bacchanal inside of me? When I come on the stage, get in my mind, you know
what she like.
When I drop it hot and I whine it, put up the speaker box and I grind it, and I don't want to stop
Can't
when
believe
it.
I speak girl like you, we got tell them. No sweetness, tie she weakness, yeah. No feelings, just fuck it up like you mean it. No sweetness, tie she weakness, yeah. No feelings, just fuck it up like you mean it. Girl, wine and go down, waistline flow like a melody. Go down, pretty girl, you are the recipe. Go down, fire in the kitchen, my girl, where you cook them, let me see. Nice man can keep your interest. Come with flowers and they get dismissed. You have to handle the business proper. Oh Lord, tell you what she like. Tell you what she like. She wants some action in she life. Come good or just don't come at all. Tell you what she like. Tell you what she like. Tell you what she like. She want the roughness in she life. And when I put down the work, watch out she face light up. Oh yeah, no sweetness. I would never tell a lie to you. No feelings. 'Cause I believe it's like you need it. I just wanna live good. I don't want no dirty secrets fighting me and you, boy. I could only drive one car at a time, but I still want to. Cause everything is balance. Right through life, what we want is balance. See a good wife for your needs is balance. Bend down, touch your toe like balance. Love comes from a place where we don't get jealous, and we don't live like no dream sellers. I say we keeping it real, telling you like it is. I'll be there for you with anything you're facing. I'll be your sunlight when it's raining. Stay together and be quiet.
I in a good spirit. I drink in a good spirits. The vibes right up to the limit. So don't hold me down, don't fight me down. Yeah. Good spirit. I drink in a good spirits. The vibes ain't cast in a minute. So don't hold me down, don't fight me down.
Yes, people, it's time for me to end the show. Gotta say thank you so much for listening today. It's Q It Friday, and Let's just vibe out for the rest of the day. See y'all tomorrow.
Lucky for you, my friend. I in a good spirit.